Sometimes users need to add or delete worksheets within the workbook while working in Excel. In this video, we'll check how to add and delete worksheets in Excel. There are so many ways to add and delete worksheets in Excel, and we'll check them one by one. Add a worksheet using the Worksheet tab. Using the Worksheet tab, you can add worksheets one by one, but you cannot add multiple worksheets in one go. Go to the Worksheet tab in the Excel workbook and click on the Insert Worksheet button. Now a new worksheet will be added to your workbook. In the same way, you can create worksheets one by one. Add a worksheet using the Home tab. In an Excel workbook, go to any worksheet and navigate to the Home tab and click on the Insert drop-down button. Now click on Insert Sheet. A new worksheet will be created beside the selected worksheet. Using the Home tab, you can add multiple worksheets in one go. If you want to add two worksheets, select two already available worksheets in Excel and follow the above steps. Now another two worksheets will be added to your workbook. Add a worksheet using the shortcut. Excel keyboard shortcuts will save you a lot of time. First, go to any worksheet and press Shift plus F11. Now a new worksheet will be created beside the selected sheet. Using this shortcut, you can add multiple worksheets in one go. Simply select worksheets and press Shift plus F11. That's it. Now we'll check how to delete worksheets. First, delete a worksheet using the Worksheet tab. Go to the Worksheet tab and right-click on the worksheet which you want to delete and click on the Delete option. Now worksheet will be deleted from your workbook. If you want to delete multiple worksheets, simply select worksheets and right-click on any worksheet and click on the Delete button. Now selected worksheets will be deleted from your workbook. Delete a worksheet using the Home tab. First, go to any worksheet and navigate to the Home tab and click on the Delete drop-down button. Now click on the Delete sheet. Now worksheet will be deleted from your workbook. If you want to delete multiple worksheets, simply select the worksheets and follow the above steps. Now selected worksheets will be deleted from your workbook. Now you can use any of the above options to add and delete worksheets in Excel. That's it. So simple. Next time when you're working in Excel, do try these methods. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.